kind of mad now. Wow. They said I can check in after 3 p.m. So I'm just gonna go around, take pictures, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat something.
320번, 355번, 버스가 잠시 후 도착.
Got off the bus. I'm just walking towards the beach. Wow, I'm here. Oh, you can actually camp here. It's a camping zone. Oh, I always wanted to check that out. I brought my swim shorts. The weather was really warm, and there are people like surfing and stuff. So I wanted to everyone was staring at me as if I'm some kind of weirdo. I mean, I was, but why not? It's warm. I hope I don't end up on the internet people saying, oh, there's a crazy guy wearing swim shorts at the beach today. So I think this is a popular spot. I saw a lot of people taking pictures with the white horse, and I always see people taking pictures with the red and the white horse. I want to look for some other photo spots. It's nice traveling alone, but it's a shame that there's no one to take pictures for you. Just finished taking some pictures alone. I also asked people for help. I'm actually getting really hungry, so I think I'm gonna go eat something. They have some beach cafes in front of the beach, but mostly cafes, and I'm hungry right now, so managed to get a seat by the window. There were actually a few people eating alone, so I didn't really feel awkward. The window seats are usually full, so you might have to go early or wait a little bit to get the seats. And the food was really good. So it's on the second floor. I actually wanted to try this place also next time. This will be something very typical in Jeju. The wall made of rocks. So there's a saying there are 3 things that are famous in Jeju. Wind, rocks, and woman. But I think it's because of those divers, the diver women, Haenyeo. Yeah, those are the 3 famous things in Jeju. I missed my bus stop, but it's nice to just walk around. They have special menus for Jeju only. I don't know, they said it tastes like soda. I'm finally checking in. This is the second hotel. The price was actually similar because I got a mountain view. 2 beds, 1 double bed and a single bed. Well, they gave us mandarin chips, TV, and it's supposed to be a mountain view, but it's kind of blocked, so I don't know if it's a mountain view. That's not good. If I had a chance, I think I should go for the ocean view. It's a neat and clean room. What is it? This is a safe, some gowns, slippers, fridge, and the closet. Bathroom, I think I like the bathroom. Yeah. Compared to the one I was just in, it's new. Yeah, I mean the room is okay. The room is nice. Compared to the one I was just in before, it's new. But I'm so disappointed about the view. It's a mountain view, but it's more like a building view. I saw some dirt on the carpet. Okay, usually I don't complain about these things, but seriously? What is that? It's food. I'm just gonna check out the rooftop right away. Yeah, I think they do like weddings here also. First floor, lobby, rooms, and infinity pool and pub. This is my swimming pool look. Wow. Nice. I went around 4 p.m. on a Sunday and it was almost empty. I think most people come in the evening after looking around. So if you guys want to go when there are less people, go in the afternoon after you check in. If I drop my camera, I'm gonna cry. It's deeper than I thought. I'm loving the swimming pool. The view here is like so nice. Swimming pool alone is like enough to book this hotel. Since I don't have anyone with me, I'm just gonna take pictures alone. Yeah, it would have been nice if I had company, but I have a spot coming here soon. I think it's from the drinking yesterday. I wouldn't really recommend for solo travelers, but if you come with your friends, your lovers or family, I think it'd be really nice. It's nice, but it's like, it's a bit lonely. No one to take my pictures, no one to enjoy this view with. They turned the lights on. I didn't know they turned the lights on at night. Bye. This is how it looks during the night. I turned the lamp off over there because it was like the white lighting and I don't like it. Yeah, still don't like the view. I actually really like the bathroom. Also what I like about it is like the floor in the bathroom is warm. You know, it feels nice. You know, when you get out of the shower, like you feel kind of like chilly. I'm trying new products. And so far, I think they're okay. Not too heavy. I don't like when it's too heavy. Ow! Ah! Can you see this? There's like a nail sticking out. I was like really liking this hotel, but I'm kind of mad now. That was really painful. Wanted to wear something casual today, but ended up wearing something dressy. You can actually rent books to read in your room. I took a cab from the hotel from across the road. I'm here. Wow, it's in the middle of like nowhere. Well, it's not nowhere, but it's so cute. Oh my god. So cute. Oh, 깜짝이야. They give you a towel when you arrive, which was nice. The menus were quite affordable and they had soju, beer, wine, and sake. It's very cozy, Japanese style. I noticed something weird in Jeju. A lot of these like drinking alone, eating alone places are really like Japanese style because I think that's common in like Japan. I wish they make like Korean drinking alone bars. Got my second menu. There's actually a bar right next to here, so I'm gonna go and have another drink. Wait, how do I get there? Oh wow. It's right in front of the pier. So it's this place. I think I came to the right place. This place had more menus and a lot of skewers, and the menu was in English also. I think I'm okay with sashimi because I already had sashimi. They also had soju, beer, sake, wine, and also whiskey. Oh, wow. I actually ended up ordering a lot. I got the shrimp because they said it was in season, and some skewers, gyoza, and they fried the heads for me. This is so shiny today. This was my seat. I definitely recommend this place. It was like the food was good, and you can order in like small portions, and like the vibe is really good. So it was a good one. And back in the hotel, I couldn't finish the food from the second bar, so I did takeout. I have 2 beds, but I'm sleeping here alone. This was actually nice. I was worried like traveling alone might be weird and boring, but I think it was okay. My last night in Jeju. You can actually control the lights and like the temperature here. I'm gonna go to bed. I didn't drink a lot tonight because the checkout time is 11. Because this hotel, if you actually check out late, you pay extra 20,000 won for 1 hour. So I don't want to do that. Actually, I want to do some reading before I go to bed. It will actually help me fall asleep. Good night, guys. I'm ready to go back. Well, actually, no, I'm not ready to go. I'm ready to check out. Overall, it was a nice room. There was a few problems with the cleaning and like the chair. I think it was okay for like its value. It wasn't too expensive, and if you come on a weekday, you have a cheaper price. But if I would come again, I would kind of go for the ocean view. I don't know if it's a really nice ocean view, but yeah, I would go for ocean view, and I would come with someone so we can actually enjoy the swimming pool and stuff. Oh wow, this is the ocean view room. It's actually quite nice. Found this cafe near the hotel. I'm gonna have a light breakfast because it's a bakery also. Everything looks so good. Scones and cakes also. This is so nice. And you can bring your dogs also. This is so nice. These houses are so cute. Hi. Look at this.